So here is some of the content in Flux from the lecturer's point of view. So this would be, I would be using this on my phone during the lectures. And so an example of this in action is this week in the week 11 session, we had a question and answer. We actually asked students to ask their questions of the presenter as well as the three of us staff about, because we were presenting about different types of engineering. So we actually got them to ask us questions during the live stream. Over here, we've got the Q&A. Usually when the Q&A pops up, it pops up in this top questions, and then when we've answered them, we click a tick and it disappears off our list. So then we can see which ones to answer. These ones obviously came in a little bit later and we didn't get to answer them. But if I go to all questions, you'll be able to see that we've answered quite a few questions. There was quite a lot of engagement during the session. We gave our talks, and if you have a look on the recording, you'll see us answering the questions verbally back to the students.
So I do have a question here from a student. Is mechatronics considered traditional? If not, is it covered by the EA?
So we don't have a mechatronics college, and it would not be considered, I'd say, traditional. We're working on creating a special technical society on mechatronics.
Can international students find internships in Australia via EA?
So we have one of our groups is the Overseas Qualified Engineers Group. They give a lot of information to international students. Recently, I also posted on our Facebook group opportunities for international students to gain internships.
So I can scroll through and you can see like all the different questions the students asked, and all the ones in green ticks, we actually answered them verbally to the students on the recording.
What specialisation should I do if I'm interested in postgrad specialisation in medical engineering? So you can attack biomedical engineering you can do it through mechanical, you can also do it through electrical, materials, you can do it through any of them.
And as you can see, the students are actually using this because we are actually, using it back to them, back with them to help answer their queries. So yeah, this translates really well to the online space. We use this throughout our lectures. Here are some examples of questions that I think Julie was asked during her lecture. So yeah, that's how Flux can be used for engagement in class.